All right, guys, so today I wanted to share with you a little tip that I've been using as I embed Flipgrid into my Canvas pages. Now, this trick I think would work with like Google Classroom or other platforms that you may be using, but I don't have access to them, so you would have to test it out yourself. So I'm going to take a topic that I have created in Flipgrid and embed it right into my class's Canvas page so they can go right in and work on it without having to leave the page. So the first thing that I need is the embed code, and then once you get that, you can come on over. I'm going to paste that embed code into my Canvas, but before I hit the OK button, I'm going to scroll up here, and right here where it says 600 by 600, I'm just going to change that and make it 1,000 by 1,000. And what it's going to do is then take my square, and instead of being about this big on the page, it's going to make it that much larger. I find that it just makes it a lot easier for the kids to navigate through the page and respond right within it with it being a little bit larger. So now, as you can see, when they come down here, this whole big gray square, once they log in, will be my Flipgrid window.